Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Marjana's Kitchen, where today we'll be showing you how to make this delicious, super simple, no-bake Japanese pomegranate cheesecake. You will need the following ingredients. There's more ingredients in the description box as well. 200 grams of pomegranate, 4 grams of gelatine or agar, which is the vegan gelatine, 15 grams of white sugar, 130 grams of orange flavoured drink, 80 grams of crushed digestive biscuits, 45 grams of unsalted butter, 120 grams of whipped cream. Whip this cream only to 50%, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 200 grams of cream cheese at room temperature, 5 grams of gelatine or agar, 40 grams of granulated sugar, 35 grams of plain yogurt, 3 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, heat a small saucepan, add the pomegranates and the sugar and bring them all to a boil. Once the pomegranates have all boiled, you should start to see a lot of juice being produced. Pop it into a strainer and squeeze out the juice. Make sure you keep the pomegranates so you can use it to decorate your cheesecake after. Now then, heat the orange drink for 1 minute in the microwave. Add your gelatine or agar and let it all dissolve. Keep stirring really well. As soon as the gelatine dissolves, add the pomegranates. Make sure to keep a spoonful to decorate your cheesecake. Then set it into a mould and pop it into the fridge for about 1 hour until it solidifies. Pop your biscuit crumbs into a large bowl and then add the butter to it. Mix it in really well, let it all blend in. Press the biscuit crumbs down evenly to form the base into a spring-form cake tin. Place it into the fridge and let it set for about 10 minutes. Using a large mixing bowl, add the cream cheese and mix it into a smooth paste. Please make sure that your cream cheese is at room temperature, otherwise it will just be a lumpy mess and won't really smooth out nicely. Add the sugar, mix it in really well again. Add the yogurt, vanilla and lemon juice and mix really well. Pour the pomegranate juice that you prepared earlier into the mixture. After you have mixed your pomegranate batter into a nice smooth pink mixture, it's time to melt some gelatine or agar jelly, which is the vegan gelatine. Pop it into the microwave for about 45 seconds with 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and then pop it into the mixture. Mix it really well and then add 50% whipped cream. I'll whip this up earlier on. Don't overbeat the cream, otherwise it'll go lumpy. Pop the biscuit base tin out of the fridge and then add 1/3 of the batter evenly on top of the cookie biscuit crumbs and then pop it back into the fridge for about 30 minutes for it to set. The jelly has set really well. It's been about an hour now. I'm going to take off the wrapping from the edges and then remove the pomegranate jelly from the mould. Place the chilled pomegranate jelly on top of it, place it in the centre really carefully, and then pour the rest of the batter all on top. We're going to then freeze it for another hour or so. Whilst the mousse cheesecake is freezing, let's prep for some decorations. I'm going to add a little bit of pink food colouring into some double cream, add some powdered sugar, and whip it up till it's nice and creamy. I'm going to pop the whipped cream into a piping bag, fitted with a nozzle. Any nozzle will do. You can decorate it anyhow you like. After an hour, I'm going to pop the dessert out of the fridge freezer. It's lovely and nice and set now. Look, you can handle it really well as well. I'm going to start to decorate it now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Delicious, rich, easy dessert. Perfect for any occasions. Valentine's Day, Christmas, holidays, Eid, anything really, even weddings and anniversaries. Before you go, why don't you check out Marijuana's Kitchen for some more fabulous recipes. Thanks for watching.